Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I created this French open design using these two new products from Aprés from their new collection that they just dropped about 2 weeks ago. Here I'm using the Whitney tips, which is an off-white, and I'm using it with their new Extend Gel, which is a thicker consistency, and I'm going to show you and talk about it all in the next clip, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, so here's the Novice Extend Gel. Basically what this is a thicker consistency gel, okay? I created a short, and I will try and link it down below, of another brand that kind of has the same product. They call it something else, but this is by Aprés, and this is their Extend Gel Novice. And basically, this will help you adhere your nails, the Extend gels, like the Extend tip, to your natural nails a lot better, and with least amount of I guess maneuvering and adjusting, because as I'm getting ready to show you here, the gel is very thick, so you could apply this on the nail without having to hold the tip and trying to fumble with the light and all this other stuff. So once you put this on the actual tip, the nail stays put, and the tip is not going to be sliding back and forth. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm getting ready to show you how I use it, and as well as the design that I created, so stick around. All right, you guys, so here's how you use it. You're going to take your tip after you prep your natural nails and the Extend tip. You're going to scoop out the gel right here. And if you didn't scoop enough, then you could go back and get more. And I'm going to use this, my nail pusher, the flat and the curved side of it. And I'm going to pat down the gel into the actual tip, okay, to make sure it matches the length of my natural nail. This product is designed for beginners, so they do not recommend this if you take like clients as a professional. This is more for beginners because a lot of people have issues, you know, with the gel and trying to figure out how much to use and trying to hold it and all that stuff. So once you do that, as you can tell, I'm here measuring, make sure I have enough gel. I noticed that I didn't apply enough, so I'm going to pat it a little bit more. And then once I do that, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to place it on the nail. And like I said before, you don't have to hold this down. You see, I'm here letting go of the tip to make sure it's in the right place. None of the gel is kind of sticking out or anything like that. And look, all you do is put it under the light for about 30 seconds and she's good to go. I'm going to show you this one more time because it's super easy to use. They have designed this collection or this gel specifically for beginners. Let me know if you have tried this gel or if you have tried any type of like 3D gel to adhere your extensions. Once again, here I'm taking the gel, I'm scooping it out, I'm taking the back of my nail pusher, and I'm going to mold the gel into the tip. Hopefully this is making sense and the video is, you know, giving you all the information you need. Comment down below if you have any questions on this process. And then once you do that, you're going to drop the nail down and then you could literally let it go. Adjust it, you can move it, you could pick it back up, put it back down, because it's not a runny consistency like the regular traditional gel. You see right here, I'm like, oh wait, hold up. I put it in the wrong finger. So I switched it. And I put it in the right finger and it stuck to the nail. And then all I do is cure it and she's good to go. All right, so once I get all the nails on, I'm going to use my e-file. I'm going around the cuticle to remove any gel that might have spilled out, and also to remove the shiny layer from the top of the Extend Gel. After that, I wash my hands, and then I'm getting ready to go into the design. The design's super easy, so I'm just going to show you a quick clip on it, and then we're going to move on. All right, so for the design, it's super easy. I took a white striping gel. I'm going to create like a half moon on like midway down the nail, and then I'm going to outline the edges of the actual tip, and that will create the open French look. After that, I'm going to take my top coat and I'm going to top coat it, apply cuticle oil, and that basically completes the look. Like I said before, you guys, if you have any questions on this process, let me know. I will be uploading more designs with the rest of the Neutrals collection. If you haven't seen that video where I show you guys all the colors, all the new, colors that dropped from the latest collection, I will link it on the top. Make sure you check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.